I was thinking, but I don't know, what do you think? Should we go for a walk? Should we go for a walk? Yes or no? You guys... Oh my god, you jump on me. You're too heavy. Ted? Okay. So, do you want to go for a walk? Yes or no? You have to sit and shake, Pepper, because if you don't shake, I don't know. I don't know if I want to take you. You guys please stop going crazy. Sit. Pepper, I'm going to ask you a question. Answer me like a big girl. Okay. Do you want to go for a walk? Yes? Is that a yes? Okay. Shake. Come on. Shake. If you don't shake, we're not going to go. Ow! And you're jumping on me. You're going all crazy on my bed. You want to go for a walk? You want to go for a walk, Pepper? Okay. I guess that's a yes. Let's go for a walk. And these are my dogs getting excited. You go for a walk. You dropped my phone. Okay. So, shall we go for a walk? Huh? You guys stop fighting. We are going for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Come on, let's go. Okay. I can't even record Teddy because he's on my butt. He wants to go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Okay.